pallet shuttle that you saw. It's a semi-automated storage cart that can work in a last in, first out, or first in, first out format. So it's a different system other than pallet flow or drive-in rack. The cart actually has sensors that picks up the pallets and is all controlled with a remote. So if I want to get a pallet out of the system, or multiple pallets out of the system, I just hit pallet out. The cart's going to find that first pallet. It's going to pick up the pallet and bring it to the front of the lane. Once it's at the front of the lane, the cart's going to move back, allowing the forklift operator to grab the pallet and take it out of the system. After that pallet has been taken away, the next pallet will go and be brought to the front of the system continuously. When I want to bring a pallet into the system, I just take the pallet in, and the process works in reverse. The cool thing about the carts is it'll set the pallets whatever distance you want away from one another. So it stops within a certain distance. That way you can always have consistent separation between pallets for fire sprinkler. And that's the Pallet Shuttle System.